So, you came in for the behind the scenes of the RPG Dialogue Explained videos. Well, I'm going to give you some. But this is not actually it's a chaining video, it's more like you know those books where with bonus material, there's lots of behind the scenes and other concepts. It's like this one, but a bit different. So, right now I'm going to show you the building of the long video. And I'm going to show you the editor view of both the videos. So you can see how what I'm dealing with. Nice. Let's get right into it. Alright, here comes the editor's POV of the long form video. Let's go.
scratch scripting dialogue versus delivery, sounds more. Turn casual dialogue into control dialogue process animation in games. But best of all, it's all in the script, so you can back it and use it in your future project. So watch until the end because I'm gonna show and explain how you can make unlimited dialogue. So let's start with making a scratch project and then name it whatever you like. Let's say dialogue test or something like that. And then let's start by making the variables or deleting my variables first. Let's make first input text. This is where you can plug in your text that you want to say. As you can see. And then index. Index we use that we use index to scroll between letters of input text. Let's change it to 0 or 1. Then you see letter 1 of hello is H. And there you go, that's what index does. And then one last one, which is called output text. This is the output text. It's going to be plugged right in here, as you can see. And it will say output text. Right now it's 0. So we'll just say 0. Because output text is 0. Well, just write them for now, and then let's do some coding. When we right click, make sure to reset the variables. Like we reset output text to blank. Remember, not 0, but blank. Not 0. And it is 0 because we're not going to scroll now, but now we're going to. And how do we determine how long input text is? We can manually see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4. That it is 6. We can manually see that input text is. We can manually see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4. That it is 6 characters long. And how we do that code is just pop on this length of input text. That will be correct because we're scrolling through every single one, changing index 1. And this will change, and this will set index 1. Or 6, I mean 6. This will set index 6 if you run this. And let's go. And set output text. Here we're going to set output text, which is later going to say that out here. As you know, set output text. You know when we're going to scroll between letters of input text. What this does is you know that in first loop, change index 1 does it. So index equals 1. So letter 1 of hello, which is input text, which is H. And it will add. And let's so that's how that works for now. Let's plug in output text. Since output text is blank in the start, it will just be blank. Let me say letter 1 of input text is H. And now set output text to H. And then we look again and say that output first. And now output text which is there is now H. And now index variable is 1 because we changed index 1 2 times now. So it's 2. So letter 2 of input text is hello. As you can see. Hello. Letter 2 of hello is E. Now we set join H and E. And we get here. Now we set output text to capital E. Then we look again and then we join the variables and change the index until we have reached the end of input text, which is or length, the full length in input text, which is 6. Then we set output text to hello with the exclamation mark, which I mean exclamation mark is output text. Let's say the text. Why are we doing it this way instead of just saying it the whole thing out loud? Well, if you do it like I said so, let's plug the variables in. And at the delay, I recommend to wait 0 seconds. Wait 0 seconds. That doesn't just wait 1 second, but it waits for our frame. Like scratch goes in mostly 30 frames per second, and we're just waiting. And we are just waiting the third. We are just waiting this long for real. And let's see what happens now if we. Oh wait. Wrong place. Same. Set output text to that. That I explained. And if you do it like this way, it will read it out like it's like RPG games, you know. And that worked because we were adding individual letters one by one. And now see, first is just H, and then wait a few seconds, and then output text is H, and then C, and wait a few seconds, and it's heel, hell, and then it's heel, hell, then it's H, E, L, for now. And then wait a few seconds. This might remind you of animation. That's because it is actually animated dialogue. That's why we made it like this to explore through. So I hope you understand that pretty good. If you don't, it's okay. At least you follow me. Well, it's important to know what you're doing, so try to understand it, but you don't need to do it if you absolutely can't. But now you probably understand why this is the basics of animated dialogue. Let's go. Now, you can actually play around with it right now. It's not perfect, like, it's not actually that perfect. It has no pause right now, though, because the pauses and the other features are in the later chapters. Now we're in chapter 1 anyway. Let's change input text on hands, like, it's me, scratch that, and make sure to set it to whatever you, and let's see, the animation. There you go, that's really cool. You can also play around with the delay if you want to make it more showy. And you can make it the delay shower or the animation shower, as you can see here. Why is it okay. And then you can also customize the code. You can also customize some things of code to jump over words. Like now, I have this one to scroll to every single word or letter. Let me now do subscribe. It's asking to subscribe now. And now if I change it to 2, we'll just be like S is going to jump over S, and then U, and jump over E, S, and then S again, no, U, S, and then R, and then B. U, R, S, B, U, S, B, U, S, R, B, equally. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't recommend playing around with it right now, because we are going to go over to. Okay guys, let's go to pauses, you know, because one time you want pauses in one text, like, that helps really the pace of your animation or games. So it's kind of easy. We just check if one letter of our input text is equal to a number, but it may not be that simple, because we can just type in numbers, and we're not going to have a pause here, because it's a part of the sentence. For example, this one. Yeah, you really need a character or symbol before that number, in case there's a pause. So let's call that in. If one letter of input text, which is that, if it's equal to whatever key you write, I'm going to use hashtag. Nice. Then we make sure that the next one, which is that one, is equal to a number. But how do we do that? We're going to need to do it the hard way. Create a list, name it 1 to 9. For this one only. Then just add we need to add it. We can add it manually in case you're back at it or something. So we need to do this and clone and add everything in. Make sure it's it. Then you go this way shorter and add all the numbers from 1 to 9. Perfect. So put that together. And then if this 1 to 9 list contains the next letter, the letter after the hashtag. Let's do index plus 1, which is the next one letter. And then finally we do the pause. But we're going to have it divided by 10 because you don't normally want to wait more than 1 second. Yeah. And then we're going to skip over that because we don't want that in our text. So let's try to put it somewhere in here. Right. There, it did it. But we need to jump over and it will show this hashtag 4 thing. So let's try that out if it works. Yep. It works perfectly fine. Nice. Let's add a sound. That's actually pretty easy. We just have to do this. Start sound and then just make a sound. Now it should work perfectly fine. Yeah, it's not a critical sound. It's actually that simple. But wait, we need to backpack it. How do we make it more backpack friendly? Well, we use a my block. Let me show you what we're going to say. Fine, say, and then the input text, and then and then name, and then the pause key. I'll be using hashtag. You can use whatever you like, and then the key. That should work perfectly fine. Now put all this code in here, and then replace all the input text first. So let me try some input texts and place it one there, one there, and one there, and one here. That's all the input text you need to replace. That's really good. Or one here too. Let's go with that. It's easy to make mistakes now. Okay, and the name, just put it on the sound. So I can make a sound. And the key, put it right here. Here's the hashtag. Now it's extremely backpack friendly. You can put it wherever you like. Put it in your animation or games. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how you can use this define block in. That's right. In this chapter, I'm going to show you how you can export and use this define block. Show you how it works. Now, just backpack it, and this is just on scratch out. Don't worry about it. There you have it. It should be right there. And then just go into another project, and then just take it from the backpack. The first I'm going to create some characters. I'm going to have logo. I'm going to have maybe a scratch cat. That will work. I hope. Let's import the script. Now I'm going to show you how this works. So say it's just what you want to say. Hi, cat, hi. Something like that. And we have to make a sound. Sound we can use. Just the name of the sound. Minus pop. And the pause key, that is for if I want to create a pause in the dialogue, then my pause key is usually a hashtag. So if I want to add a pause, I need to do hashtag and then a pause, or then a number. like 5. It will be 0.5 seconds if you do a number. And then let's see what happens now. Just remember to not hit the running without refresh button. I might have done that. Well, mistakes can happen. Yes, and now it works. Let me just try this over to Scratch. As you can see, the text doesn't overlap, if you know what I mean. Here you can make another sound. And just with this, say hi, Bobo. And let's add a pause, but this time we're going to use another sound of a pause. It can be equal. Just remember to put it here, relax on the pause. And it will still work. So, so what was the name of the sound? Meow 2? Meow 2. That's correct. Let's try that out. Let's try that out right now. Yes, and it works. Just how I made it here. Let's try that again. Yes, it works perfectly fine. Congratulations, you now know how you can create just download, pauses, and sounds. If you enjoyed this video, watch out for tomorrow's behind the scenes with this and the short video. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.
Here comes the editor's POV of the short video, but this time it's gonna be 1 time speed because it's a short video. RPG like talking explained in less than 10 seconds. Let's go! Use a variable to join letters one by one in another variable while you say it out loud. Show some 15 FPS delay, reset the variables, and then you're done. With this script, you can make your character talk in less than 2 minutes. Just remember to set the input text to whatever you like. You can also throw in some sounds if you want. If you want a deeper explanation and a script with more features, then watch out for the full video comes tomorrow. This little showcase video used to be at the start of the video, but it got too long, the intro. So yeah, that's everything in this behind the scenes video. I hope you enjoyed this video and the previous 2 videos. Make sure to watch them before you watch this. But anyways, like and subscribe and see you next time.